Is Google Chrome crashing, freezing, or showing the snap error on your Android phone? Before you clear all your browsing data or reinstall the browser, it's important to find out whether the problem is caused by Chrome itself, one specific website, or your phone. In this video, I'll show you several safe troubleshooting steps that can help fix the problem. The first thing to try is restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap Restart, and wait for the device to reboot completely. A restart clears temporary memory and closes background processes that may be causing Chrome to crash. Once your phone turns back on, open Chrome again and see if the issue has been resolved. Next, test a different website. If Chrome crashes only when opening one specific page, but works normally on other websites, the website itself may be the problem. Try visiting reliable websites like Google, Wikipedia, or a news website. If those pages load correctly, there's a good chance Chrome isn't the real issue. Now try opening the same website in another browser, such as Samsung Internet, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, if one is already installed on your phone. If the page crashes in every browser, the website is likely causing the problem. But if only Chrome crashes while other browsers work normally, then the issue is probably with Chrome itself. The next step is to check for Chrome updates. Open the Google Play Store, search for Google Chrome, and tap Update if it's available. Browser updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and security patches that can resolve crashes and improve stability. After updating, reopen Chrome and test the website again. If Chrome still isn't working properly, check how many tabs you have open. Tap the Tabs button and review your open pages. Having dozens of heavy websites open at the same time can increase memory usage and make Chrome unstable, especially on devices with limited RAM. Close the tabs you no longer need, then test Chrome again. Another helpful step is clearing Chrome's cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Chrome, tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your saved passwords, bookmarks, or browsing history. Be careful with the Clear Data option because it removes local browser data and may sign you out of websites. Try clearing the cache first before considering stronger options. You should also make sure Android system WebView is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Android system WebView, and install any available updates. Many Android apps rely on this system component to display web content, so keeping it updated can help resolve browser-related issues. While you're there, it's also a good idea to check for Android system updates by opening Settings, then Software Update or System Update, depending on your device. To recap, restart your phone, test another website, try another browser, update Chrome, close unnecessary tabs, clear Chrome's cache, update Android system WebView, and install any available Android system updates. Following these steps can solve many Chrome crashes without deleting your browsing data or using unofficial browser downloads. If Chrome still crashes after trying everything in this guide, you may consider reinstalling Chrome from the official Google Play Store or contacting your device manufacturer if the issue appears to affect multiple apps.